Welcome back to week 4 of our cloud QuickFormational videos. Today I'm just going to recap a little bit of what we've been discussing with the pros and the cons, but we're going to look at the comparisons of what we need to be looking at while we're going and moving into that cloud or contemplating moving into that cloud. All right. So one of the things is the pros. We have zero maintenance on the hardware. We can access it from anywhere. But to the flip side of that, we're going to talk about the cons of security. Any hacker can access it from just about anywhere as well. So we got to make sure we keep security top of mind because it is an area that is very well exposed to anybody. Okay? And so the comparisons that you really have to look at is how can I secure it while keeping the cost low? And then how am I backing up that data? Or if I'm using a line of business vendor, how are they backing up that data? Because to be honest, some of them are going to back it up in the same data center as their own hardware. If that data center gets flooded or something else happens, and this happened a few years ago in New York, your data is lost. And you need to understand that they don't hold any liability to that. It's your data. It's your responsibility to back it up, not theirs. So as we're talking about clouds and the pros and cons and the comparisons and how it benefits and what some of the pitfalls are, that's not necessarily a con. It's just something to be aware of. The other thing is, and we've talked to our clients about this, is when you move into the cloud, absolutely make sure that there is two-factor or multi-factor authentication and get it in the contract. That is absolutely required because any salesperson can say, oh yeah, we do that. Not a problem. But the reality is they probably don't, and they really need to. So don't listen to promises, actually get them in paper. But contemplate the security, the cost, and your ability to be able to do everything that you need to do without sacrificing. The cloud's got some great benefits, but it also has some pitfalls to be aware of that can't be negated. But you have to know what you're doing, and it has to fit, and it doesn't fit for everybody. So, weigh those things out. I'm Sean Pennington with Solomon IT. I'm the CEO. That's our QuickFormational. We're wrapping up the cloud computing QuickFormationals this week. So have a great weekend. Thanks for joining us.